Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm using Xcode to create actual native application, and I'm using AI to do this. But as you may know, you can only use Claude, Codex, or Gemini. Xcode doesn't allow you to use any other language model. But in this case, I'm actually using Kimi K3, which came out last week, I think, and it's a pretty good model. So in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you how you can set this up for yourself. The tools that we're going to be using, it's going to be this one right here. It's called Proxy Pilot. The way that you install it, you can download it, or you can just copy paste this into your terminal and it's going to install it. Once you have it installed, we're going to go ahead and go to keys and providers. You're going to have to create a new one, and I'm going to just make a copy of this one. So you're going to click on the plus sign, and we're going to be using Token Router for this because right now Token Router, it's offering Kimi K3 free. So what I'm going to do is just copy this URL, paste it here, and then we're going to do Token Router 2. And then for your API key, you want to go into your console once you logged in. Once you register and log in, you're going to go into API keys. You're going to create a new one. I have one already, so I'm just going to copy this one. I'm going to paste it right here. We're going to add it, and then we're going to click use as upstream. Once it's active, we're going to go to Proxy. Then we're going to go scroll down right here when you see fetch live models. We're going to click there, and it's going to pull up all the models Token Router it's providing, right? So Token Router, it's basically like Open Router. You can add credits to it so that you can use any model. But for this example, I'm going to be using Kimi, and you can see right here, Moonshot, Kimi K3 free. And you can also, if you want to search for free, right now they're also doing Nemotron 3 Nano by NVIDIA for free. And that's a reasoning model. So once we select Kimi, we're gonna go ahead and save as default. And then we're gonna sync to Proxy and restart. We're gonna go into home, and then right here from the selection, we're gonna select our Kimi K3. I'm going to restart it again. And if you can see right here, it says applied Moonshot Kimi K3 free. And the way that this works, it's gonna use Claude instead of, it's gonna use like the Claude option within Xcode, so that we can route to whatever model we are choosing from. So for example, if I start a new conversation and I choose Claude, I can do hello, and the AI model is gonna believe that it's Claude. But if we go into home, we can see that there are requests going on right now. So you see there was one completed request, and it was 33,000 tokens out. So yeah, this is just a way that you can set up Kimi K3 or any other model inside xCloud using Proxy Pilot. I'll leave the links in the description. And this was just a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys that you don't need to spend money on a subscription for Codex or Claude or Gemini. There's a bunch of model providers, LM providers that offer free usage. I know Open Router also, sometimes they have promotions going on and they offer free use of some of their models. And using Proxy Pilot, you can set up anything. I do have my Z.ai, but you can connect Open Router, you can connect Grok, you can connect pretty much any model that you want if you use Open Router or Token Router. You can set up Qwen, you can set up Minimax. So you're no longer strapped to what Xcode or Apple is telling you that you can or cannot use. You can basically use whatever you want, pay as much or as little as you want. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you want to see anything else. I'm making these videos to try and help you guys and show you that you don't have to invest a lot of money to try and come up with an application that can potentially bring in some money in. I'm trying to make these videos better quality, better sound. Each video, it's an opportunity for me to improve. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions or would like to see anything specific, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to make a video related to that. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.